we were talking about the solutions to prevent the dowry, why it is increasing day and night despite the women empowerment and education of the girl's child. The first options which was given to us was the child education. It said that as much as the girl's education is given, the demand of the dowry will be decreased, but it was a complete failure because as per cultural and social norms, the girl's child were educated, but the search of the husband for her, who is working at the higher side of the salary, is demanded. Hence, the child education or the women education, this formula completely got failed in prevention of the dowry. The second solution was given as the women empowerment. It says that if any woman is financially independent, for her dowry demand will be less. This is why even the family members welcome her back. Her exploitation, her suffering decreased, but this was not the case that for her dowry was not demanded. The third solution which given to us were strictly applicability of law. It again said that there are so many laches in the laws, and if the Dowry Prevention Act or the 498 IPC is being implemented effectively, dowry demand will be decreased. But actually, it also did not work. Not only Supreme Court, but others High Court also in their various judgments, again and again reiterating the misuse of IPC 498. And this is the reason that the strict applicability of law becomes a dream for us.
सिर्फ एक स्ट्रेट जैकेट फॉर्मूला है, इसको अगर हम बहुत शॉर्ट स्पेन टाइम के लिए भी इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं तो हमें इसका बहुत इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट देखने को मिल जाएगा। जितनी डॉरी की डिमांड हो रही है और जितनी डॉरी की सप्लाई हो रही है, उसका डबल अमाउंट स्टेट या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को एज अ पेनाल्टी पे किया जाए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ एनी पर्सन इज वर्किंग एज अ IPS ऑफिसर और मान लीजिए वो अपने IPS ऑफिसर होने के लिए अपनी डॉरी की डिमांड 3 करोड़ से रखते हैं, बहुत सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स अपनी बेटियों की शादी इनसे करना चाहेंगे। इन दैट केस, दैट 3 करोड़ रुपीज शुड बी टेकन फ्रॉम द IPS ऑफिसर बिकॉज ही इज टेकिंग डॉरी, and the 3 crores rupees should be recovered from the family member also because they have their capacity to pay 3 crores. Then the state will earn 6 crore rupees. In initial 1 to 3 cases will be done, and gradually एक बार जब दोनों पार्टी इंश्योर हो जाती हैं कि इन केस ये बात बाहर रिवील हो गई तो हमें इसका डबल का अमाउंट देना पड़ेगा, तो ना तो कोई पेरेंट अपने बच्चे की शादी के लिए डॉरी मांगेंगे और ना तो कोई पेरेंट अपने बच्चे की शादी के लिए डॉरी देंगे। And this is the only way to prevent the dowry.